guys, so I am here to open the Maniology Manny and Me. It's actually their like trial kit to see if you want to actually order the subscription, which is something I'm interested in. And if you're interested in seeing a subscription, let me know in the comments below. I don't have a problem ordering the kit, but this was my let's see if I'm gonna like it, how the stamps work, and everything that comes with it. So I thought I'd open it on camera so that you guys can test it out along with me. Go ahead and grab a drink or a snack or something. I've got my tea in my amazing iridescent cup that my husband got me for Mother's Day. All right, and let's go ahead and open this. So, hopefully, I know you always get a gummy, and this is like a little, you get a gummy, and this is a pineapple. I couldn't think of the word. And let's see. Oh, there's a little card. So you can share that with a friend. And all I had to do is pay for shipping. So I chose the Wild Heart, but there are a whole bunch of different choices that you have. This is just the one that I happen to choose. If you hear noise in the background, my daughters are playing. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see what we've got. So here's the stamping plate. So, ooh, I really like it. It's got some medallions. I really like that. Nice. There's one. Here's the second one. Oops, that's upside down. Some more medallions and just some fun designs. Those are awesome. I really like those. You also get a scraper. This is an itty bitty scraper. You don't need much. So it's a nice, perfect plastic, feels like. You get the stamper, if I can get it out. I know when you order the kit, you also get a stamper and scraper. So here's the jelly stamper, and it is pretty sticky. So that's nice. And it's got a lid. And one thing I do recommend, if you buy a stamper or you get a stamper, make sure it has a lid. It protects that stamper really well. Okay. Then I have two polishes. So I have this really pretty turquoise, and it's called Teardrop B217. And then there is this pink one as well. And this is like a really pale, almost a corally pink. And it's called Restless Dahlia. Dahlia? Dahlia? B232. Alright, I think that's everything. Yep. Then, for those of you new to stamping, there's always the stamping guide. And I believe, yes, there are also instructions on the back of the box. So let's go ahead and we'll test this out together. Okay, so I peeled the blue layer off. I don't have any nail polish on my nails at this point, so right now I'm just kind of gonna test it. So I will test the blue. I think it'll show up a little bit better. I'll zoom in here. And I'm gonna do a small one first, I think, a smaller one. So we'll just test out. Let's see. Let's do this one. I know you don't need much, but it's so small. Well, you're gonna take your stamper. And then, hopefully you can see that. stamp's nice. I didn't pick up the extra. I didn't really center it because I was doing it on screen, but I wanted to see how it stamps. So let me go ahead and clean that off. And we'll try that again. Okay. I've got a lint roller. The lint roller, clear your stamp off with your lint roller. This is really not great with filming. Maybe I need to zoom out some. Okay, let's try this again. Let's see if I can do it. Do a bigger one maybe. Let's try this one. So I'm going to do a couple swipes here. Take my scraper, pull it, take my stamper. I'm gonna just put it on my stamper, push down. I'm gonna see here. I'll take my lint roller and maybe try and clean up some of that. Hopefully you can see this. And with a stamping polish, it does have to be one that stays wet for a while. Also, I don't have any guard around my finger, so I'll have to clean it up with a brush, but that's okay. So I'm just pushing it on, and there you go. It stamps very nicely, if I must say so myself. Alright, I've got 4 swatch sticks here. I have 2 blacks and 2 whites. I'm going to swatch both the blue and the pink and see how they swatch on each gel polish, or on each nail polish. The black polish, just if you're wondering, is Sinful Colors in the color Black on Black. And the white polish I used is Sally Hansen's Extreme Wear in the color White On. So those are the colors I used, if you needed to know. Alright, so let's go ahead and I'm going to do the blue first. So I'm going to choose a design that has a lot of detail, just because I really want to know how it does. So I think I'm going to do this one. This one's got quite a bit of detail. So I'm going to apply polish about halfway across, take my scraper, pull it over, and then I'm going to take my stamper, stamp it on, and we'll do it on the black first. Okay, and so hopefully you can see that. It is not super pigmented on the black. You can see it. I can see it in person, but I definitely can't see it on the camera. So the blue doesn't do great on the black, so good to know. I'm gonna do the blue again with this one. Scrape it across. I'll get my stamper and do it on the white. And as you can see, it does really nicely on the white. I didn't get all the way to the bottom of the nail, but that's okay. You can get the idea. Yeah, that stamps beautifully. And this time we're gonna go in with the pink. Let's do the same pattern. I'll do nail polish. This one's a lot thinner, I've discovered. Nail polish about halfway down. Hit it with my scraper. Whoops. Pick it up with the... And this one doesn't... I just don't think that this polish works as nicely. I'll go ahead and stamp it anyway. We'll see how it does. So stamping it on the black. Ooh. Though it didn't stamp perfectly because of me, I made an error, but the color really looks nice on the black. like that a lot. That's nice. Maybe I can get a better coverage here. Let's try it again, see if I can do it without messing up this time. Okay, and there is the pink on the white. So I'm just discovering, I don't think that it seems to want to pick up as well on with the pink polish. I'm going to try again. I don't know what I'm doing, if I'm doing anything, if it's me, if it's user error. It's just not as detailed as the blue was. So that's one thing that you should probably be aware of. Let me show you the swatches up close. Okay, so I really like the turquoise on the white, and I do like the pink on the white and the pink on the black. I just wish it stamped better. So I will keep messing with it. Maybe I should try, actually, before I give up, maybe I should try one of these smaller images. So those picked up better. You see that? So maybe it's just me, or it's just too detailed. I'll keep messing with it. So that is my review of the Wild Heart starter kit. And as you can see, here are the swatches. The plates have tons of detail, and they really do work for the most part. Like the blue worked really well. I think I just need to do a little bit, either I need to be faster or I need to put more polish on the pink with the pink, because the pink seems to be a little bit thinner of a polish. I wouldn't ever use the blue on black, but I do like it on the white, and I bet it would look really nice on the pink as well, actually, if I wanted to use the pink as a base. So I do think I would recommend this kit. It seems it's a really fun idea for only, I think I paid $7 shipping and handling, maybe like $7.95, something like that. So I got all of that for only that price. That's a really good deal. You get the 2 polishes, the 2 plates, the stamper, and the scraper. I would definitely purchase this again if I had the choice. And I think I am going to go ahead and do the monthly box. Let me know if that's something you would like me to see, to open up on camera every month. I think that's something that I would enjoy sharing with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below if you have any ideas or like suggestions for things I can show you, if you want to see anything from me. So I would love to hear from you guys. Also, if you haven't subscribed, which probably many of you haven't, please subscribe and like this video. I could really use your support. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.